he was suspended as of February 12th, 2025 for no liability insurance.
Okay.
I'm not
Okay.
getting into this discussion with you. I'm just,
sure next time I come.
she has access to the DPS database for licenses. They're telling me it's not eligible. So until I see differently, then you just can't drive.
I'm
You
saying.
understand? So I'll have you sign this affidavit promising us you're not going to drive. I will have you get Ramona to sign a reset and then we'll get you out of here. Okay?
Okay.
Mr. Citizen, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine.
While he was waiting at a red light, he observed a vehicle run through the red light. The officer got behind the vehicle and ran the license plate to make sure that it wasn't stolen. The vehicle swerved into the officer's lanes and almost struck the patrol vehicle. The officer made contact with the defendant, who was the driver, and identified him by his Texas ID card. The officer observed an odor of an alcoholic beverage, watery, bloodshot eyes, and slurred speech. The defendant was detained and he refused to answer any questions, including SMSTs. The officer attempted to read the DIC, but the defendant would not let him finish and refused. A blood warrant was signed.
Okay. Mr. Citizen, I'm going to find there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with the case. So you said he had an ID. Does he not have a
Yes,
Texas
he does
driver
not have a
license?
driver's license.
Okay, Mr. Citizen, you are not allowed to drive. I'm making that a condition of your bond. If I find that you drive, it's really not going to go well for you. Unless you have a Texas driver license and liability insurance, you're not allowed to drive. Can you look to see any prior DWIs, please?
There's no prior DWI.
I am ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol and any kind of illegal drugs, likewise, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. So I'll have you get a Ramona sign a reset. You will get with Fleischer your bond conditions, and then after that, you'll be free to go. I'm going to have you sign an affidavit promising you're not going to drive unless you have a Texas driver license and liability insurance in your name. You understand?